Hello, all, very warm welcome. Today we are into week 3 of January lead code questions, wherein the question says get maximum in generated array, right? Herein we are given integer n and array nums of length n plus 1 is generated in the following way. So we are given value of n and we have to generate an array nums. And it follows following four rules, which is like nums of 0 is equal to 0, nums of 1 equal to 1, nums of 2 into y, where I will be the index, will be equal to nums of I, and nums of 2 into I plus 1 will equal to nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. So with this, what we can fairly understand is that, okay, nums of even indexed value will be equal to half of that index. Nums of odd index will follow this rule, right? So we can reframe this actually. We can kind of simplify this. What we can do is we can say, okay, if this is what the framing is, we can reframe with updated formula, which is nums of I. Say if I is even, then this is equal to nums of I by 2. Nums of I, if I is odd, then it is equal to nums of I by 2 plus nums of I by 2 plus 1. Now with this updated formula, the things becomes very easy for us. And let's jump right into the code and to see how we are going to pin it down, right? So we are given two more things, that okay, nums of 0 is 0, nums of 1 is 1. So that means if value of n is less than 2, we can safely return n, right? And then we can go ahead and create that array equal to new int n plus 1. That's the size which they're requesting for. And what we are told is nums of 0 is equal to 0, nums of 1 equal to 1, right? Now what we have to also, what they're saying is, what they're requesting as an output is return the maximum integer in that array nums. So once we formalize this form array, what we have to do is send out the maximum value which is going to be that in that array. So that means I need to create one maximum value which will be equal to say -1 as a starter. And I can create one counter which I'm going to run for the length of the array. So this I can start with instead of 0, I can start with 2 because I've already taken care of the base scenarios, right? Now let's run the loop while counter is less than or equal to n, because that's what the length we are looking for. And what we can simply say is if counter percentage 2 is double equal to 0, that means it's an odd. And what we can say, it's an even, then it is counter is equal to nums of counter by 2. Straightforward. Else that means it's an odd number, then this is equal to nums of counter by 2 plus nums of counter by 2 plus 1, right? Now once we are outside this, what we have to do is we have to see, okay, if any of if this number is going to be the maximum value or not. So what we are going to do is we are going to calculate that. We are going to say, okay, this is equal to math.max val comma nums of counter, right? And ultimately counter plus plus, that means we are going to the next index. Now once everything is done, what we are going to do is simply return maxval. So let's see if this works. It finished. I got the expected answer. Let's submit it. It got accepted. So this is, guys, that if I talk about complexity, it will be like O of n, because I'm going to iterate through the number of integers which I'm going to have, and the space complexity will be of O n because we are going to create a num set of size n. So thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe in case you like the solutions, because I'm going to keep on posting the any upcoming questions which are going to be asked on day-to-day basis in LeetCode. Thank you. Thanks a lot.